Hi, if you think that there are no more videos from Egypt, then you are wrong. It's only that
Beginning.
this is why I want to present to you what I was drawing in Egypt. Again, I was in my swimming mask and went to the Red Sea. I was very surprised to see this creature because it was almost the last day of the trip, so this was a little unexpected, but I was happy that I saw it. So I painted it from memory when I was on the shore. Again, this is Procreate, and you can see this beautiful brush, this highlights on the water. This is one of the standard brushes in Procreate, and this is how this drawing turned out. And that's it. That's the whole process of creating. I know it's a little too short for video format. If it was YouTube Shorts, then it would be okay, but for full video, it's a little too short. So I decided that I would record myself talking for some time. If some of you are interested only in drawing process, then you can turn off the video, because I'm not going to be drawing in this video anymore, just talking. But if you would like to listen to me talk, you can listen to this video. What I wanted to share with you, all the drawings you see I painted in Egypt, but right now I'm home and I don't paint anything. When I was in Egypt, I was thinking that I'm not gonna buy anything. I lost this battle. Now I have new bracelet with the seashells. That's it, I have new bracelet with seashells. I just liked it, and this is why I have new bracelet. And also, maybe you noticed that I'm wearing these pants. I forgot that these pants existed in my closet. I just remembered recently about it, and I remember why I was not wearing it. You can see this stripe on these pants. I came from the culture where there are some people exist. This group of people were called gopnik. Gopniks. I don't know how to say it without laughing. Okay, gopnik. Who is gopnik? You have this on the screen, you can read this. And when I was a teenager, these gopniks always were wearing Adidas, and they always had these stripes. But then a few years ago, maybe 5 years ago, I noticed that many people from Western cultures post videos, and many women and men started wearing pants with these stripes. And I was like, what? Why? Because I had this association with the gopniks. So I was like, is this new fashion trend? What is it? And I was like, I would never, definitely not wear it, because I don't want to be associated with that part of the people. But I'm here wearing these pants. They are very comfortable. And if earlier I didn't like it, but right now I like it, and my opinion changed. So why I was telling all of this? Probably because I wanted to show you the meme. Maybe people from Western cultures are wearing Adidas, but Russian gopniks were wearing Dibas. This. Okay, you may ask me why I'm talking about all of this. I don't know, I'm just bored and I wanted to share this. Speaking of the fake brands, not only I have new bracelet, I have new fake bag. And I think maybe this is controversial topic or unpopular opinion, but I don't think that fake bags is a bad thing. Earlier I didn't have opinion on this topic, but right now I think, like, who cares? This this is more affordable. Not only this is more affordable, if the quality of the bag is normal, it's not ripping apart, and backpack I use for everything. And even this backpack I use for when I need to go to plein air. But sometimes it's not very comfortable to carry always big bags, even though it's not really big, but so I was thinking that I need small bag. We went through Egypt Bazaar, and of course there were not many shops, but the only shop where bags was completely all of the fake brands. So I was like, okay. Then I looked at this quality and I think, that doesn't look bad. I like it. Small bags are very comfortable when you need for walking, for example, with dog, and you need phone case or something else, and you just, for example, you just want to take photos of something else, so you could paint it later because you're looking for reference photos. And carrying backpack is not comfortable, but this small bag is much easier. And I know that this is maybe a controversial topic, also because in the recent years often the topic about there's topic about fast fashion and all of this, and you know, to be honest, this is very difficult topic about fast fashion. I'm not sure if someone like me who would stop buying fake or really cheap things would influence world globally, and all of a sudden all brands stop existing. I don't know, maybe I am stupid, but I'm someone who always thought that in every area, if people want to make a global change in anything, then there is always problems with the system and not the small parts of the system. It's like when you, for example, imagine you broke your leg and there's bone, you can see your bone, and there's blood and all this gore, and how to say, put bone on its place, showing it. Sorry, I cannot pronounce the word, so what is wrong? I don't know how to say this. So instead of this, people would just take some plants and just go on, heal. You see what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe I'm completely wrong. What I'm trying to say, I don't think that this is very healthy to be attached to things, and also to expensive things. And it's more unhealthy when people think that some people who are buying expensive things better than those who don't buy it. This is, I would never understand that, because I guess I have Eastern mindset. In my opinion, everything should be in harmony, and internal and external. And when people rely too much on internal or external, superficial things, then it's not good. You see, I don't like talking. I don't like talking on deep topics on internet. Don't know why, but sometimes I guess I just need to say something. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. In next videos I'll be drawing more. Bye.